Hey, did you know that most real estate agents ask for referrals? They may go into businesses and just put a stack of cards down there at the front desk and asking the business owner, hey, keep me in mind if you know somebody looking to buy or sell property in the next 6 to 8 months. Well, I work a little differently than that. Rather than chasing down referrals, I chase down referral sources. What do I mean by that? Well, when I reach out to a business owner, I look at what I can do for them. Let's build rapport. Let's generate value for you and your business. And I'll always get a referral in return without ever asking. So if you're a business owner located in the Genesee County area and you're looking to build your business and would like to get more referrals, I'm your guy. Give me a call today. I'd like to sit down and have coffee or treat you to lunch and see what your business model's like and see what I can do to generate more business for you. I'm all about supporting our business community. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.